Oat milk versus whole milk. Have you ever wondered how your favorite milks compare in terms of nutrition? If yes, let's start comparing oat milk and whole milk and see which one is rich in nutrients. Welcome back to your healthy eating channel. Calories and carbs. Oat milk is high in calories compared to whole milk. In 100 grams, oat has 389 calories but whole milk has only 61 calories. Dietary fiber. Oat milk is an excellent source of dietary fiber, and it has more dietary fiber than whole milk. In 100 grams oat has 10.6 grams of dietary fiber, but whole milk doesn't have any amounts. Sugar. Oat milk has less sugar than whole milk. In 100 grams whole milk has 5.1 grams of sugar, but oat doesn't contain significant amounts. Protein. Oat milk is an excellent source of protein compared to whole milk. In 100 grams oat has 16.9 grams of protein, but whole milk has just 3.2 grams of protein. Fat. Saturated fat. Oat milk and whole milk contain similar amounts of saturated fat. In 100 grams oat has 1.2 grams of saturated fat and whole milk has 1.9 grams of saturated fat. Cholesterol. Oat milk has less cholesterol than whole milk. Whole milk contains 10 milligrams of cholesterol per 100 grams, but oat milk does not. Vitamins. Vitamin A. Whole milk has more vitamin A than oat. Whole milk contains 46 micrograms of vitamin A per 100 grams, while oats contain insignificant amounts. Vitamin D. Whole milk has significantly more vitamin D than oat. Whole milk contains 51 IU of vitamin D per 100 grams, while oats contain insignificant amounts. Vitamin E. Whole milk and oats contain similar amounts of vitamin E while oats contain no significant amounts of vitamin E. Whole milk contains 0.07 milligrams per 100 grams. Vitamin K. Whole milk and oats contain similar amounts of vitamin K. Whole milk contains 0.3 micrograms of vitamin K per 100 grams, so while oats contain no significant amounts. Vitamins B. Oat milk contains more thiamin, niacin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 and folate than whole milk, but whole milk contains more vitamin B12. Riboflavin is found in high concentrations in both oats and whole milk. Minerals. Calcium. Both oat milk and whole milk are high in calcium. Whole milk has 109% more calcium than oat. Oat milk contains 54 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, while whole milk contains 113 milligrams. Iron. Oatmeal is an excellent source of iron, with 156 times the iron content of whole milk. Oats contain 4.7 milligrams of iron per 100 grams, while whole milk contains 0.03 milligrams of iron. potassium. Oatmeal is a great source of potassium, with 225% more potassium than whole milk. Oats contain 429 mg of potassium per 100 grams, while whole milk contains 132 mg. Omega-3 and Omega-6. Omega-3s. Both oats and whole milk contain significant amounts of alpha-linoleic acid, which is an omega-3 fatty acid, ALA. Omega-6s. When it comes to omega-6 fatty acids, oat has more linoleic acid per 100 grams than whole milk. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like it and subscribe to this channel.